So I want to present to you carbon fiber parts made by us with original covers from Mercedes-Benz. This carbon fiber mirror cover is going to fit for most new models of Mercedes-Benz. You can see here is the original packaging with the original number. We manufacture left-hand drive and right-hand drive. I just want to show you the quality. Everything is handmade here in Europe. We use clear coat with UV protection. As you can see, this is the original part, Mercedes-Benz, the original number. So what we do is we cover the whole part in carbon fiber, high quality, everything by hand. So we do both right-hand drive and left-hand drive cars as well. We can cover carbon fiber parts for the interior, door handles, and any other different parts by your request. This is just example video of the quality. You can see the finish is perfect. Everything done by hand with high quality carbon fiber. It will be very beautiful on the sunlight. It will be shiny like a gold. Beautiful. We're just making the video so you can see the quality, because you cannot see the quality on pictures. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching.